Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I helped somebody do this yesterday. This is the way to send me a file. He put lines what he's talking about. He would rather it fill up the entire, these holes. Uh, I don't think I can do it on the first line just isn't going to do it. But if, you know what we're going to do, we're going to move this off the picture so we can see it. Now, first of all, for the one I'm doing it for, I did not have your text, so it changed your text. So this is going to be a little bit different, probably the same size. But we can go to text and go down here to text, and it's going to open up a text docker. And you're at 10.25 font points. This is just like any other Word program. Let me change this back here. So right here, you have left justified, center justified, right center just aligned right. But this is fully justified, and watch what happens. Now, it did it, and it did a good job because it's got it. Well, I don't see, it breaks up the word I, but it does not break up a full word. But what you can do then to make it go to the bottom, you have to actually take that and delete it. And let's type in 10.5 and remember the last word is reason. Okay, it didn't do it. You have to delete everything. 10.5. See, it's not going to justify the last line, and it's not going to justify the first line, I think. But I actually think that looks good. Now, I stated in the video that I do not like paragraph text. I don't ever use it. But because this is already done, you can't, right here, it's one of these says convert to back to one text to the other. And so I can't figure out how to, let me select it all, go up to effect, go up to object. Yeah, break text inside path apart. Nope, I don't want to ever move it. I would think that I could now play with this. You could always take your text tool. I just don't do enough of this. And you could maybe, if this was artistic text, you could maybe move that. Let me try selecting it again. Go up to object. Normally Control K would break it apart, but because it's in there, let's try Control K. But because it's in that path, we can also take text and remove the paragraph frame. So you don't have that frame anymore. And so that way you kind of know it's not going to print. I don't think it would print anyway. But I think that you just play around with it a little bit more. I like it like that. I mean, you just have to play with it, my friend. I don't use this enough, but I do know, you can edit the text, and that looks pretty good. Even though, the reason could be moved over to the center. It's doing everything you can at the size text you have. And I wish that I could find a way to break this apart. I wonder if we could convert it to a curve. No, it's because it's in that paragraph. I think it's because that paragraph text. So when you type, just to let you know, this is paragraph text. You're going to write inside here, and it's going to stay inside that box. Where if you don't do anything, this is artistic text, and it doesn't have a box. And if you still have this wordage like you gave it to me yesterday, you might be able to have it in artistic tech and break it apart. So you could actually maybe move this to the center. But to be honest with you, I would be very happy with that. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.